Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Attio CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a new company into your Attio CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a company into your Attio CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running your online business through Attio CRM, you need to add various companies in so you can track the deal flow. Whatever the case is, it's an easy process. It's handled here in your Attio CRM dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already pulled up my Attio dashboard, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a new company into your Attio, here on the left side, you're going to click on companies. Okay, once you do that, up here on the top right, you're going to click on new company. Okay, so here you can go ahead and enter in the company information. So you want to try to enter in as much information as possible because Attio is going to pull up data about that company. So first I'm going to go ahead and click on domains. All right, next I'm going to go ahead and put in the name. Okay, I'm going to write a small description. Okay, and primary location, San Francisco. Okay, next I'm going to click on create record. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes into the company edit screen. And as you can see, they've already have information on this particular company I added in. They list right here their estimated ARR. They also listed off the different categories this company would interact with. And if we go back here to companies, okay, and we can scroll down and you can see right here, Attio was able to pull up their LinkedIn, how many Twitter followers they have, their domain. So now when I'm tracking a deal, I can go ahead and connect my deals to this particular company or other employees for that company. I can connect them into that company as well. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a new company into your Attio CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.